Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and unplugging the Macbook. This prevents damage and accidental input. Once done, flip it closed and place it on a soft cloth to protect the lid. Remove any USB or power cables and note their positions. Use a small pentalobe or Phillips driver to loosen exterior screws. Only back them out a few turns if the cover is tight. Make sure to keep screws organized by position. This saves time during reassembly and avoids stripped threads. You now focus on separating the bottom case. After all screws are loose, start at a corner and insert a plastic pry tool. This reduces marring. Gently slide the tool along the seam to release clips, applying even pressure and listening for clicks. Clips can be fragile. If a section resists, stop and double-check for missed screws or adhesive strips. Make sure to avoid metal tools near the battery and logic board to prevent short circuits or scratches. Patience reduces breakage risk. You lift the case cover starting at the hinge, supporting both sides so one clip doesn't bear all the force. Once free, set the cover face down on a soft surface and inspect clip tabs and screw posts for cracks or missing pieces. Reinstall screws in their matching holes to avoid cross-threading. If the cover won't come off, make sure all screws are removed. Warm adhesive edges briefly with a hairdryer to soften glue, and try prying again. If problems persist, stop and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.